Hey guys, My Toys here. Today I'm going to be showing some stuff that I got for Christmas and my birthday. Maybe it's my birthday and like over the years. So the first thing I have is this really cute dog toy. This really cute dog one. This really cute dog, really slow rising squishy. I love it. So I'm going to put that off to the side. And then I have little strawberry. It's not even rising. And then I have this one, Jumbo. It's really jumbo. Okay, oh, wait, I just show you how slow rising this is. It is so slow rising. Yeah, I could squish them this side. It is so slow. And then I got this one. Everyone says they're not that slow, but they're really slow. I love the tiny ones because they focus better. So this one's really slow, and then I have this cupcake, this cake. And this one's not that slow. And then I've got these Squish Delish. Everyone says they're not that squishy, but they are to me. And they're also slow. And then I have this one. It's a little castle. And then I have another Squish Delish. You're actually here. And then I have this one. This squishy. The ring, it even comes with a ring. And this is actually a really good one. And then I have this one, which this one's a good one to prank your friends with. And then I have this one. Look at that. Just look at it. So slow. Okay, so that's all my squishies. And I think now I'm gonna show this. So, and then I got this over the years. So this is like a little tea box, little tea thing. Here, let me show you what this is. This is like a little sugar box, teacup. Okay, you know what I mean, like everything for a tea party, right? Everything for a tea party. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then I got two putties.
What?
No?
What?
Okay, so my mom had to open the putty for me. I can't get this putty out. This is the first putty. Well, my mom opens the other one. This is the first putty, and it's actually a really cool one.
The heck?
It's a really cool putty. Because look, it came with this, and it's purple, and you can color it and fold it. And then when you fold it, you can make like a little smiley face. You can make a smiley face. There's a smiley face, and then I'm gonna do this one. This one takes a long time to do because it's a color changer and it turns yellow after a little. And I'm not gonna hold it the whole time. I'm just gonna hold it for a little to see if it turns yellow. Oh, it's not working. And then I have this, which I'm gonna open. Ugh. This thing. Okay, so now I've got it open. So now let me just get it out. I've heard this. Oh, it's so cute. And then you can make your own mane and tail, I think. Accessories. You open this up.
You can do another video of painting it.
Yeah, we're gonna do another video of painting this, which that might be right after this. Oh, that's cute. So it comes with a little brush. You guys can see it's all of this stuff. And so then I'm just gonna move this off to the side. A plush craft. It's another craft. All of these are crafts that I'm showing you right now. Everyone. So it, oh, I'm gonna see this. Oh, it comes with these. It comes with this really cute little poker. And then it comes with this little tail. It comes with this little pillow. Ooh! I've never seen this before, so it's good. Mommy, the button. Pick it up.
That's fine. Okay, look at you make a jewelry box.
Jeweler.
There you go.
Jewelry box.
Mosaic box. With tile mosaics.
So then I'm going to show you all my American Girl doll stuff that I got. So, I first got Logan. No. First I got Tenney before Logan. I got Tenney before Logan.
I can't see Tenney.
Like that.
Okay, Tenney.
I first got Tenney. And then I got Logan. So those are the two American Girl dolls. This is Tenney's outfit actually. So let me grab the shoes. Yeah. These are the shoes. So it comes with this really cute shirt. And then this really cute little skirt. And then these boots. And then I got this outfit. This one that comes with a helmet, knee pads, and arm pads. And roller skates. And then I got this. Turn it that way.
Here, move all that stuff out and we'll move it over.
No, turn it that way.
Move that stuff over and we'll move this over there.
Oh yeah. He's sticking that way. There's like, here. We have it so I can show the back.
Come on.
Oh, we have
The
it.
pet vet.
Yeah, we have a pet vet, and then it comes with this little back room, has that, and then panels, and the other side is like this. The other side has this in it. Here, I got it.
Hold on, I'm gonna fix this.
And then the other side has all this stuff with it. So, the other side just has kennels and stuff. Like this, it comes with a little, what's it called, faucet. And it comes with this little paper towel. So now there's what's it called, faucet, some paper towel, some files up there, and then there's this. That's not on there. It's like, what's it called? X-ray. And then it comes with this, which, let me grab the dog. So I'll just grab this cat, and I'm gonna put it in the kennel. So there's little kennels that open and close.
What else does it come with?
And then it comes with this little desk. And then this comes with this. And then
What is all this?
This is a cone, some 2 wraps. So I'm gonna put this stuff down here. This is where it was when we got it. So then this is a thermometer and holder. Here, actually, everything out of it. So there's a thermometer, some medicine for that,
That's formula.
formula, and then some medicine, I think. And then there's cotton. So that's all that's in there. So let me put that back away. There. So now there's this little thing. Chart and a pen. So then let me put this away. And then it came with some soap, a bottle, some of this, some hand sanitizer, and then it came with some different foods, all different foods, and then some treats, which there is nothing in here, it just sounds like it. So that's what's in there. So that, oh, and this. And this and this. That, and then there's also this that comes with it.
Scale.
A scale. So let me just put that. I don't want to put everything away. Okay, so next. Oh, and then there's a little pin pad right here. There's like a little thing right there, which you can see right there.
Cork board.
Cork board. Oh, and then what I got for Christmas is this really cute little baby girl. Come on. I got this really cute baby doll.
Can't see her.
I got this really cute baby doll.
Okay, what does she do?
She breathes. We've almost gone out of everything. We only have 2 more to go. We only have 2 more things to do. So, then, I'll actually show them at the same time. There's a Nerf gun. And then there's Tenny's guitar.
What does it do?
It plays tunes. Let me turn it on.
Play all different songs. That sounds fun.
There. So, bye guys. And make sure you subscribe to our channel.